You already studied about the area, diameter, clearance, total surface, curved surface, flat surface, two-dimensional, three-dimensional. There are lots of theory about mensurations you already studied in fifth, sixth, seventh, and standard. So this topic is not new. We have to do this topic as you can do in fifth, sixth, and seventh standard. First of all, I want to clear you all the concepts regarding to mensuration. Then after we will solve lots of example. This chapter is too long. I think 50 plus questions are there. So this chapter continuously we are doing 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. Now first of all, you can see there are two types of shape: 2D shape and 3D shape. Okay, can anyone explain me what is the meaning of 2D shapes and 3D shapes? Boys, can anyone differentiate 2D? Yes, tell me, boys. Let me explain. 2D shapes means a object having length and breadth only. If any objects having length and breadth, then it is known as two-dimensional 2D shapes. And having length, breadth, and it is there are lots of examples of 2D shapes, 3D shapes. For example, here you can see first of all circle is 2D. Then rectangle is also 2D. Rectangle 2D means square be 2D. Triangle is also 2D. You can see thereafter any quadrilateral, sorry, first of all square. Square is also one type of 2D shape. Then any quadrilateral, it is quadrilateral. And any polygon having only length and breadth, it means pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. These all the figures are only two-dimensional because of they have only length and breadth. But what is the meaning of 3D? 3D means you have to consider length, breadth, as well as height. So I am drawing
Cylinder.
some 3D shapes. For example, it is cube, right? It is cube. It is sphere. It is sphere. Okay. Cylinder. Cylinder is one another example for three-dimensional shape. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after you can see cone.
Yes, sir.
Also D shapes. Now you can see here in this cube, it is length, breadth, and it is height. So any object containing length, breadth, and height, it is known as three-dimensional, 3D. You can see cylinder. In a cylinder, length or breadths are equal because of it is curved surface. नीचे जैसे circles है, the circle means the radius of the circles are equal. It means length and breadth are equal, but height is given. It is height. It means it is known as 3D shape, in which you can see the bottom portion of the cone is circular. Its length and breadth are equal, and it is height. It is height. And you can see a sphere. In this sphere is only containing curved surface. So it means its length, breadth, and height, all these are equal with radius. I hope you are understood the concept of 2D and 3D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see
Sir, your voice is cutting.
curved surface and flat surface. One minute. Okay, boys. Curve surface and flat, it is one new concept. After clearing the concept of 2D and 3D, now we are clear the concept of curved surface and flat surface. Curved surface means curve and flat means flat. You can see what? You can see what? You can see ceiling. You can see your ground. It is known as flat surface. But now consider your water bottle. Now consider the cape of Joker. Now consider the birthday cake. Sorry, birthday cake. Huh? You can see the ice cream. It is
Sir, your voice
all
is cutting.
curved. But instead of the whiteboard, your wall, your ceiling, your textbook, your mobile, is all about flat surface. You need the circle having flat surface. Circle having uh, circle
Sir, your
having
voice is cutting.
one. Now, Muhammad Abbas, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Please remember this one thing, circle having flat surface, not curved surface. Circle having circular shape, but it doesn't mean it is curved surface. No, it is flat surface. Please remember this one thing. Except this circle, you can identify the flat surface and curved surface. After you can see there are lots of objects. Okay, but please remember circle having flat surface, not curved surface. Now I hope you all are clearly understood the concept of curved surface and flat surface. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please listen. In a sixth and seventh standard, you clear the concept of area and perimeter. Yes or no? You all are clearly know
Yes.
about area and perimeter. Now, can anyone explain me what is the meaning of area and what is the meaning of perimeter? How can we define these two different things? Boys, please give me answer.
Perimeter means if,
Area
for
means to
example, we
measure.
had taken a shape square and the outside of the means the border of the square will count as perimeter and inner side will count as area.
Very good. Very good, beta. Very good. Exactly. You all are right. I am giving you some example so you can clearly understand about the area and perimeter. You can see this whiteboard, sorry, soft board. You can see. Can you see this soft board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see in this soft board, we are making timetable, Christmas tree, church, etc. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it is known as area. It is known as area. But instead of this area, you can see the brown strips, wooden strips at the border. Can you see these strips?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is known as
Yes,
perimeter.
sir.
It is known as perimeter. Now you can see the example of your benches. Okay, it is known as area. But this wooden strips, it is known as perimeter. Are you getting the concept of this?
Yes, sir.
You can see here at the lecture table. In this lecture table, is this it is area. But instead of this is border, wooden strips. It is known as perimeter. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
બહુ સિમ્પલ કન્સેપ્ટ છે બંનેનો એરિયા અને પેરીમીટર. એરિયા means how much space occupied. કેટલી સ્પેસ ને ઓક્યુપાય કરશે. ઓક્યુપાય મીન્સ કે લઈ લેશે, ફૂલફિલ કરશે. ઓકે. And perimeter means only border. For example, the area of Mehdi school and perimeter of Mehdi school. So I am just giving you an example about this. You can see it is the map of our school. It is the map of our school. So if you want to find the perimeter, you can here. Now walk on this border line It is known as perimeter. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but instead of this borderline, how many space they occupied? Mary School, how much space occupied in this land? So it is known as area. So these all terms, two-dimensional, three-dimensional, flat surface, curved surface, area, perimeter, these all the terms you already used in previous standard. But I am just clearing the concept of about it. Now, in our chapter, what we have to do? We have to find out the area and perimeter of the different objects. Which type of different objects? For example, some 2D and some 3D shapes. In 2D shapes, we have to find the area of any type of quadrilateral. For example, there are lots of quadrilateral. We already studied in third chapter. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, trapezium. This all having four vertices, four sides, and four angles. So it is known as quadrilateral. And we have to find the area of quadrilateral in this chapter. Because of quadrilateral having only length and breadth, so it is known as two-dimensional. So first of all, we are finding two-dimensional area. And then after, we have to find the area of 3D shapes. In this 3D shape, we have to find the area of cube, cuboid, cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Are you get it? Explaining you because of
Yes, sir.
okay. So just today I am explaining you because of Friday, Saturday we have no lecture. On Monday also we have no lecture. We will meet on Tuesday. So today just I am giving you some formula. How can we find the area? And how can we find the perimeter? Please remember this formula in these 4 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. We will meet again on a Tuesday and then after we will start our exercise. So after that, you can easily clear all the questions and we can do this with some maximum speed. Okay, so please see here. Now I am giving you some formula regarding to find the area and the perimeter. Okay, your first thing, shapes, area and perimeter. Okay, first shape is square. Okay, now what is the area of square? What is the area of square? Boys,
I don't know.
don't know why. Area of square is a square. What is the area of square?
A square.
A square, right. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter means border.
4A.
So any square having side A, so the area of this square is A into A square, and perimeter means we have to add this four side. So A plus A plus A plus A means 4A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now rectangle. A rectangle having length and breadth. So the area of rectangle is LB. And whenever you find the perimeter of a rectangle, you can see there are two length and two breadth. So we have to add 2L plus 2B. Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now parallelogram. Again, the area of parallelogram is also L into B. And the perimeter of parallelogram is also 2L plus 2B. But here, in a parallelogram, length is equal, but breadth we are
Sir, your voice is cutting.
about parallelogram. Please see here. For example, it is parallelogram. It is one type of parallelogram. Please understand. One minute. We are taking another type of parallelogram. Yes, it is parallelogram. Okay, in which it is length and it is breadth. But we are not taking breadth as actual breadth in parallelogram. We have to take
Sir,
height.
your voice is cutting.
What happened, Mohammed Abbas? What is the reason why my voice is cutting? I don't know. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Now it is clear.
Okay. Now please see here. In this parallelogram, we are taking area as LB, length into breadth, but here breadth is not perpendicular, not at 90 degree. So we are one height. You can see in figure. So your answer is L. Otherwise, if you write down your correct answer, height into length. So here I am taking LH, length into height. Okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
Now then after rhombus. How can we find the area of rhombus? In a rhombus, we know that diagonals are perpendicularly bisected. So the area of rhombus you can find with the help of diagonal. 1 by 2 d1 into d2. Length of diagonal 1 into length of diagonal 2. And into 1 by 2, so we get diagonal, sorry, area of rhombus. And you know very well, in rhombus all sides are equal, it means perimeter is 4a. Okay?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And then after we have trapezium. Trapezium. In this trapezium, how can we find the area? 1 by 2 height in bracket sum of two parallel sides. What is the formula of area of trapezium? 1 by 2 into height into sum of two parallel sides. And the area, sorry, what is the perimeter? So in a trapezium, all sides are different. So we can say that the perimeter of a parallelogram, sorry, trapezium is A plus B plus C plus D. Why? Because of all sides are different. You can see the parallelogram I am drawing here. So you can understood clearly. For example, these two sides are parallel AB. This side is C and this side is D. It is perpendicular height H. So if you want to find the area of trapezium, how can you find 1 by 2 height into sum of these two parallel sides? Which two parallel sides? A and B. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So please remember this all the formula. Now take a screenshot and today
Sir, return.
we are not doing any question, just I am writing all the formulas regarding to the quadrilateral, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium. Please remember this all the formula regarding to area and perimeter. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please write down this all the formula.
Sir, return.
Sir, return.
Written boys.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Written all of you. ઓકે સો આજે જે છે આપણે અહીંયા સુધી રાખીએ છીએ બરાબર નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જ્યારે આપણે ટ્યુઝડે મળશું ત્યારે 10.1 એક્સરસાઇઝથી ક્વેશ્ચન જે છે સોલ્વ કરશું બરાબર
Yes, sir.
ચલો બાકી તમે બધા કયો ફેર બુક બેટા તમે લોકો કમ્પ્લીટ કેમ નથી કરતા ફેરબુક નું મારે તમને કેટલા દિવસથી હું તમને જોઉં છે પણ લેક્ચર એ રીતના ચાલતો હોય છે ને કે એકદમ લેક્ચરનો ટાઈમ પૂરો થવા ઉપર હોય ત્યારે લેક્ચર પૂરો થાય આજે થોડો ટાઈમ મેળવ્યો છે તો તમને કહું છું બેટા પ્લીઝ બધા ફેર નોટ કમ્પ્લીટ કરી અને સબમિટ કરે સેમ 1 ના ચેપ્ટર નહીં લખો તો ચાલશે બેટા આની પહેલા પણ મેં કીધું હતું તમે લોકો જ્યારે FA3 ના સબમિશન માટે આવ્યા ત્યારે બી મેં તમને કીધું હતું બરાબર તમે ગમે તેમ કરીને FA3 FA4 યસ મેમ
રેકોર્ડિંગ બંધ કરી દો
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತು.
Okay.